everyone. Today we're going to go over how to draw a lamb. Alright, so it's very simple, easy, sorry not lamb, llama. Very simple, easy for beginners. So let's get started, okay? I'm going to go over here and draw a kind of fluffy roof of the head. Curve right here, fluffy roof to the side of his neck. Side over here, and I'm going to keep extending downward. Line over here, a little bit more. Curve right here for his back. Curving around that corner there and continue to go down. Okay? Very, very simple stuff. We're going to give him a tail. Right there, like a popcorn tail. Going to go right here. Curve up for one leg. Curve out over here for the next leg. Right here for the other side of the stomach, down, up, down over here, and poof, 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 poof. Line out for one ear, curve in. Line out for the other ear, curve in here. Dot, dot for the eye. Y shape in the middle there. Curve, curve for a smile. If you want, you can throw a little bit of a mouth underneath there. And that's it. That is a llama. A very, very simplified llama. Hope you enjoyed it. That is all. You can do that anywhere. Anybody can do that. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay? Please press that like, and I'll see you next time.